is here this afternoon. Introducing to you first. He is 14 years old. Looking to burn down the competition here this afternoon. Representing that World Motorsports Camp, hailing from Mount Pennsylvania. Get loud for Cooper and Vinny Thompson! Racing out of Renegade, Pennsylvania. Put your hands together for Logan and Vinny Schroeder! Pennsylvania. It doesn't matter where he's at or what he's doing. This kid is a winner. Make some noise for Kid and Stevie question, Marietta. Who's ready for the monster show? We're going to start all the way down right there on the front stretch of the track with the rookie sensations who's earned a lot of heads so far this year. They're racing winner from earlier this afternoon. We're going to make a number 2 here in Marietta. Get loud for Blake, Turner, and Connor! And now, let's meet his teammate. The guy who's been his life for a couple times during months of hiatus. He missed me behind the wheel. He's here to rock the house here in Marietta. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Northern City, Texas, the dinosaur destruction. Put your hands together. Preston and sitting right in front of me, the guy that's been winning trophies left and right over the last couple of years. We're going to bring it down here in Marietta. We're the hard chargers in the Renegade Series, hailing from Hagerstown, Maryland. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Steven Thompson and Hurricane! And sitting on the other side here is over on the side of turn number 4. One of the coolest 3D monster truck bodies in the planet today. Another Marietta behind the wheel. Ladies and gentlemen, I call him the Wheelie King. Make some noise for